ketemu lagi dengan Tante Amerika baru.
What?
Hari ini, malam ini, Matt mau ngajarin Tante masak. What are we gonna cook?
We are going to cook Asian tacos.
Asian tacos. Nom, 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 nom. I'm already hungry. Let's do it now.
Okay, so the ingredients that we have are tortillas, flour tortillas, cut up broccoli, cut up bell peppers, and cut up chicken. We already cut up all this stuff because it took a little bit of time. So,
What else?
and the oil for the pan, and you can either use teriyaki sauce, or if you don't have that, use soy sauce, but teriyaki sauce tastes better with it, so we're going to use it.
Okay, so this is Asian taco. Okay, teach me then.
Okay, so we have the oil, the avocado oil.
Yeah, you turn on
Yes, turn on
medium?
the stove.
Medium.
Yes, that's great. Okay, so then we put the oil into the pan.
Okay. You use a salt later
Yeah, we use the salt later.
and black pepper, no?
What?
Black pepper?
Black pepper.
This one? No?
Probably.
Oh,
Yes.
probably. Okay.
Okay, so you can also use cheese if you want.
Oh yes, cheese.
Cheese! Okay, so we're gonna cook the chicken first. So we need to wait for this to be good temperature. So we'll be back. Okay, we're back. So it is ready. It's heated up enough to start cooking. So we have all of our chicken. So we're gonna just dump it in there carefully. That wasn't very careful. Okay, here's the stick. Alright, spread it all out.
Dia masaknya lucu pakai bangku.
I don't know what that means. I am not.
It's cute that you cook, sit down on the chair.
Yeah. So we will let this cook for about a couple minutes, but make sure you stir it so it doesn't get stuck. Alright, so the chicken is getting, on the top of it is getting white. Here, come look. You see all the white chicken? Now it's time to flip them over so they can cook on the other side.
Okay. Ow! Ow!
I'll touch the pan.
Oh, be careful.
Okay, so now all the chicken's white. Do you see it, Devi?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes. So it's almost cooked, or
Yes, it is. Okay, so now it's time to.
what is this?
No, it's like that'll get cooked. Don't worry. Alright, so let me. No. Here, hold that. I need to put all of the broccoli and the other stuff in.
Okay. Oh, I still.
Because now it's not raw, so we can put other things in, so it won't get contaminated with the raw chicken.
Okay. I remember you cooked this for me and my family.
Yes, does this look
almost
familiar?
2 years ago. Yes. It was
Yes,
nice.
whenever all the chicken, and it was much bigger because there was like a bunch of people, and it was scary. Okay, so now we gotta stir all this. All of it will cook. And in a little bit, we're going to put the sauce in once they're a little bit more cooked. Here's all of the stuff.
Yes. Yeah, I can smell. Nice.
It smells like chicken and vegetables.
Yes. And we're gonna use this one?
Yeah, we're going to put that afterwards.
Okay.
Wait, Devi, do you want the cheese melted or not melted?
How about you?
I don't know. Dad, what do you want?
I'd like it to just not be melted, just kind of on there.
Okay, that's fine. Alright, we'll do that then.
This is salt. This is pepper.
Okay, so since it's been in there for a little bit, we're gonna put that there, and we're gonna put salt and pepper.
Yeah, it's fine. This is a lot.
I didn't know it would come out that fast. I've never used it before. Okay, does this come out fast, Dad?
Salt content.
Dad, does this come out fast?
You gotta turn it and you gotta grind it.
Okay, okay.
Let me do it.
You do.
This
Here.
much? This much?
Yes. Oh, that was a fail. We need to make a video about all of the.
This is nice. This is nice.
It is.
Yes, I'm very sure because this is lots and the salt that
Oh, yeah,
you put.
it is
I
a
think
lot.
it's
True.
good.
Okay, it's fine. It's fine.
Yes.
It's fine. For now, at least.
Yes, I'm very sure. Trust me.
Okay. Okay.
Matte face. Ooh.
Alright, now I think it's time for the test of tests.
Fork it.
Yes, get me a fork. I need to test. I can't pick it up with this one. I need to stir it though. Okay, here, Devi, you stir while I get a piece of broccoli. Wait.
Mmm.
I need to cool it down.
When we put the other stuff like the teriyaki sauce and
Well,
the
if
sauce,
this is good, then we'll put it in.
okay. I'm very sure it's good.
It's
Yeah?
good. Yep.
Ah, see?
Alright, so we're going to put the teriyaki sauce in.
Okay.
Alright, does this one come out fast?
I
Wait.
can't remember.
Okay. There was a
Just
wrap
try a
on
little.
it. Little?
Yes.
Yes, little.
Making fun of Debbie.
Little. Ah.
Ooh, this is gonna be on there. Ooh. And woo! What? Are you good?
Mm-hmm.
Yay!
Good.
Now it is time to start on the tortillas.
What you gonna do?
So we'll let this cool off. Okay. Pull out a tortilla. I need towels. Okay, so now to make the tortillas taste better, since we're doing it right after it's all done. Look at it. It's all in there. It's all mixed up with the teriyaki sauce.
Okay.
And so to make it better, we need paper towels and something to get the paper towel damp with. Like, I don't know, get a towel wet and lay it on it. Or a spray bottle.
For
And-
the tortilla.
Yeah, for the tortilla. So we're going to get a tortilla and put it in there in the microwave for about 20 seconds. Wrap it in the paper towel and then, yeah.
Okay.
Yes, I do. Yes, it looks like enough. Yeah. I don't want cheese on mine. That looks like about enough. Maybe one more of those. Alright. Okay, I'll wrap it. Alright, thank you. Alright. So, trying to turn this over. There's sort of an art form when you're putting these together. So you have to kind of fold it this way, where it kind of creates a little pocket. You take it, kind of fold it over, kind of skip the rest of it back. And we get this part. Fold it over. That creates a little seal right here. And you get this way. That's going to be Devi. She's putting on the cheese. Okay. Okay, and then we actually still have plenty left after mine. There's still going to be enough for probably one or two more. Yeah, right. Devi. Yes, I'll probably have another one. Like these, honey? Ooh. Yeah, how do you like these, babe? Mm-hmm. I'm about good to wrap it. Look. Oh, good, good, good. Alright, so now I just... Can I eat now? No, you have to wait for me.
No, I'm just kidding. You can eat.
Okay.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me put mine on because I want to taste. I only tasted broccoli.
Good, 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 good.
And put cheese. Yes, cheese. Cheese. Alright. So now I eat.
You need me to wrap?
Oh, yes. Devi, the master rapper.
Mm-hmm.
That's what we need to title this video.
The queen of rap. Put it in that. You got that. The queen of rap.
Yay!
Yay!
It's good.
Like it, Matt? Did good, boy. Tastes really good.
Enak banget. Gampang bikinnya.
And it doesn't take very long to make.
Easy, simple, fast, yummy, and healthy.
And it's not too salty.
Mm-hmm.
Surprisingly.
Yes.
We busy chewing. Oke guys, cobain bikin di rumah, enak banget. Thanks for watching. Hope you like and subscribe our channel. See you again. Bye.